Ali here with H&H Cycles. Today we have this beautiful 2009 Harley-Davidson Softail Springer CVO edition. Look at this beauty. This bike is in pristine condition. It is a 2009 model, one owner, and it only has 686 miles. That is correct. 686 miles on this beautiful machine. It's like it was stored in a time capsule or something. Completely stock motorcycle, still have the original baffles. These motorcycles are really unique. They're highly desirable. And they make a good collection. So, what are you waiting for? We are here located in Romeoville, Illinois. If you are a local resident, come check this out in person. The video does not do any justice to this thing. I have absolutely no flaws to point out in this motorcycle. 686 miles. Yes, that's how stock exhaust sounds like. Healthy motor, fresh fluids, good set of tires on it. I believe they are still original. And for more details, visit us at h&hcycles.com, and thank you for watching.